Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and hey guys, look what Dad just got me. I got a double cheeseburger from McDonald's. I love these. These are so good at McDonald's. So let's get this. So I'm gonna eat it and give it a review. I like it when they put the cheese and 2 patties on it. I'm gonna have to give this a 9 out of 10. Because I do love this restaurant, from McDonald's a lot. So anyways, guys, what other restaurants do you want me to do a review on? Let me know in the comments below. What restaurant on different foods do you want me to do a review on? Let me know in the comments below. Anyways, guys, I'll see you all next time. Have a good night.